All right, welcome back to my channel. This is Adewealth Organics. Today I want to talk to us about bay leaf and its benefits. Yes, this I've made my bay leaf tea this afternoon. I'm about to take it, but I'm not just going to talk about bay leaf alone. Do you know that bay leaf is not just for your cooking? It goes beyond that. And many homes today, we have this thing in our kitchen, and sometimes we're having blood spike, high blood pressure, and the rest of them. And we didn't know we actually have a medicine in the house. Today, I'll be showing you, telling you the different combination with other herbs that this bay leaf can help you correct very effectively. Yes, I'm going to be talking to you today about 8 things bay leaf will do for you. Honestly, you're going to love it and you're going to be shocked. In fact, the number 8 will shock you. All right, so number 1 thing bay leaf will do for you. Bay leaf, when you get your bay leaf and your cinnamon and your scent leaf, it is very effective for blood sugar. All right, what will it do for you when you get these things together? Number 1, it helps you regulate blood sugar, glucose. It improves insulin sensitivity. Yes, getting these 3 things together, how do you prepare it? You get just two bay leaf. I have just 2 in my hand. Sorry, I have 3, but you need just 2 of it. You need just 2 of this. You need 1 small cinnamon stick. Please, I always recommend Ceylon cinnamon stick. All right, now you also need your 5 scent leaf. 5 scent leaf. Scent leaf is just like leaf like this, but in this case, get it fresh. 5 of it. Okay, now boil it together. When you boil it in 3 cups of water, this ingredient, boil it in 3 cups of water for 15 minutes. Drink half cup in the morning, half cup in the evening. Number 2 thing this bay leaf will do for you is for digestive cleansing and bloating. It helps you to relieve you of bloating. All right, now what do you need? You need your bay leaf and ginger and your fennel seed. Don't worry, I'll be dropping this picture, the picture. All right, now what will this thing do for you? It relieve you of gas and stomach cramps. In fact, for people that have ulcer, to an extent, it is very good for them. It improves digestion. Now, how do you use it? You get your 2 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, and half teaspoon of your fennel seed. Okay, now when you get it, you boil it and you drink it warm after meal. Please take it always after meal. Number 3 thing bay leaf will do for you is your weight management and metabolism boost. Okay, now what do you need? You also need your bay leaf, like 3 is also good, your ginger and your lemon peel. Not lemon now, get the point, lemon peel. And please listen to the instruction. Now when you get that, what will it do for you? To help you to boost your metabolism, reduce water retention. Yes, it reduces your water retention. Now how do you use it? You get 2 bay leaves and a slice of ginger or half teaspoon of crushed ginger and your lemon peel. Just get your lemon, peel it. If you have it dry, better, but if you don't have it, get the fresh one. Now you get your ginger and your bay leaf, you boil it. After you had finished boiling it, you bring it down. Now while it is getting cold, you drop your lemon peel in it. Okay, when you drop your, don't boil it together so that you will not kill completely the nutrient that is in that lemon peel. You do that after you put your lemon peel, after you are done with your boiling it. Okay, now how do you drink it? Once daily in the morning. You drink it once in the morning. Just take it like that, it will really help you. Number 4 thing it will do for you is for cough and catarrh and chest congestion. Okay, get your bay leaf, 2 or 3 will be good. Your cloves, and your alligator pepper seed. Okay, now when you get these things, what does it do for you? It help you clear the mucus. It also supports your respiratory, so it's also very good for your respiratory health. All right, now how do you use it? Get your 3 bay leaves, your 3 cloves, and 3 alligator pepper seed. You boil it and you drink it warm. If you don't want another thing, another way it can also be effective, I recommend you drink it, but even before you drink it, inhale the steam. You can get it hot in your cup, cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam. It will really help you. Number 5 thing it will do for you is it help with blood pressure. It help regulate and normalize blood pressure and heart support. Now, how do you do that? You get your bay leaf, 2 or 3, you add it to your get your hibiscus flower and garlic. Now, it helps to support healthy blood pressure. It improves circulation. Okay, now how do you use it? Boil your bay leaf and zobo, okay, together, and crush garlic after it is cool. When that thing you boil, when it gets cooled, then you add your crushed garlic, then you drink once daily. Don't do it excess, avoid excess of it if you are actually on BP drug. We are not saying it will not work line in hand, but don't drink it too much. Okay, now the number 6 thing it will help you with, you're having arthritis, you're having joint toothache. In one of my video on my, I think I share it on this page, I did a video on natural toothache treatment, and look, your bay leaf is one of the ingredients, so it help with anything pain, whether your joint pain or body ache or toothache pain or bay leaf support all these things. Arthritis pain, what do you need? Get your bay leaf, your turmeric and your ginger. They are very strong anti-inflammatory blend. These 3 things will help you a lot. Now, how do you do that? You get your bay leaf together with your ginger and your turmeric. You boil them together, let them boil very well. Drink half cup daily, and sometimes you can pour little in your towel and put it, compress it on your area of pain. If it is like toothache, though I have another combination in my other video for toothache remedy. I think I'm not sure whether I share it on YouTube. I think I have it on TikTok, but it's all right. Okay, so but if it's in the case of arthritis, you get a little of it hot, put it on the towel and put it in the area of ache where you're having the ache. All right, then drink half cup of this daily. If you drink this thing within 4 to 7 days, my dear, you will see a significant relief, because it's not just relieving you, it is also correcting some things that has gone wrong within the body system. All right, now the next, number 7, is that it helps you to calm you down. You are always anxious, you are always agitated. It relieves you of stress, anxiety, and support healthy sleep. For those of them that are, maybe you went out and you had a very hectic day, see, this drink can go a long way for you, because it will help you to sleep effectively. So even if you're having insomnia, get this. And don't worry, in my other video I'm going to be talking about herbs you can use for insomnia effectively, but this particular combination is anti-stress. Okay, it helps to support sleep. Bay leaf and lemongrass. When you get your bay leaf and your lemongrass, it help, and a little chamomile. There's what we call chamomile. Get your chamomile. In fact, you're getting a very strong sleeping, natural sleeping herb. When you, this 3 combination can help you sleep very well like a baby. All right, now when you do this, how do you do it? You just boil them together, and as you boil them together, you drink it maybe 1 hour, not maybe 1 hour before bed. drink it. What will it do for you? It help you calm your nervous system, and it also promotes restful sleep. How do you do that? You just steep it in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink at night, like I said, an hour before you go to bed. Number 8, which is particular topic went viral on my TikTok account. It helps to detox your body system, and it supports kidney cleansing. Yes, it cleanses your kidney. What do you need? You need your bay leaf, you need your parsley, and you need cucumber peel. You'll be surprised. Whatever, let me go just use the whole cucumber. No, we're talking about the peel. You see that green part? Peel it. All right? When you peel it together, what will it do for you? Before I tell you how you do that, get those 3 things: your bay leaf, your parsley, and cucumber peel. Mild, that's the word, not mind. Mild detox. It also reduces water retention. All right? How do you do that? You get your bay leaf and your parsley and your cucumber peel. Remember, cucumber peel is fresh, so we encourage that you boil your bay leaf and your parsley leaf. Now, after you had boiled them, while the water is still is still a little warm, not very hot, peel your cucumber and add it inside. The peel, allow it to steam for some while. Drink it 3 times weekly. All right? It will help your liver. It will help your kidney. It will help you to detox all those water retention that causes swollen leg and the rest of them. You won't have it. All right? So do this drink it for continuous between 2 to 3 weeks for your kidney detox. All right? These are the ways you can make use of your bay leaf tea. Get this thing. My darling, if this video has been helpful for you, please, I want you to share it. Share it, like it, and ask your question in the comment section. I always respond to questions, okay? And please, my beloved people, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. All right? Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, because whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video thus far. I really appreciate, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.